Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing stability ball back extensions. When we do these, we are going to wedge our feet against the floor. We are going to use the stability ball for leverage, push down to elevate our knees off the floor. So they're going to be slightly elevated. Use the stability ball, get those knees up. Now we're going to wedge that ball in so we're off the ground with our knees. At this point, my hamstrings, my glutes, and my lower back are firing. I'm going to go ahead and lower my upper body down towards the ground. Come back up, squeezing the glutes, squeezing the lower back, squeezing the hamstrings. So for more posterior chain exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.